You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be tackling my master bedroom and bathroom. I'm going to be stripping the bed, gathering up all the rugs to throw them into the wash, and I'm also going to be organizing my bathroom cabinets. So let's get started.
No one ever saw the way that you look. Now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
guys are new to my channel, I hope you're enjoying this video so far and it is motivating you, maybe brightening up your day today. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family.
I'll be on my way, and I will try to stay. I let my lion heart keep on moving. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. It's just my lion heart, the one you try to tame. I'll be on my way, and I will try to stay. I let my lion heart keep on moving.
Sit down, be quiet, they usually say. Do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them. Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me. We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Forget your trouble and let's celebrate tonight. Come and join in, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. You don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to think about what's ahead, I'm here now. 'Cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join in, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe.
I decided to clean out all of our travel bottles. I went ahead and cleaned out our travel toiletry bag. We always keep one packed just so when we go on a trip we can just toss that in our suitcase. But our bottles were running low, and honestly I couldn't remember what was in each bottle, and there was hardly any in it. So instead of taking the risk of mixing products, I decided to just rinse everything out and give them a good cleaning.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Oh,
baseboards were way overdue for a good cleaning, so I am just going to dust all the baseboards around the toilet and then run over all the floors with the vacuum cleaner.
Like you lost your way and can't be found. But did you know you shine? And I'm falling for the way you smile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are, you are. When you're on the edge, you're fading fast. Let the future light up your path, 'cause it's coming and it can't slow down. But did you know you shine? And I'm falling for the way you smile. You're gonna take the fight now. Lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are. So never fall in line. You just gotta do it mile by mile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are. When you find yourself under the weight, when you're wishing you could clean the slate, when you're tumbling and you won't slow down, remember you're a champion. You are champion. Remember you're a champion. You are. But did you know you shine? And I'm falling for the way you smile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are. So never fall in line. You just gotta do it mile by mile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are. Champion. You are.
I know you're trying your best to hold on to what you believe in, what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. Don't hit the wall, just learn to save weight. You're truly special, no matter what they say. When life is cruel, that's every night to me. When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing.
Now that my bedroom and bathroom are all clean and organized, I feel amazing, and I hope that this video motivated you guys to get everything done that you need to get done today. Doesn't it feel amazing to have a clean, organized space to live in? I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Bye, guys.